A square frame made of small wooden sticks is placed on the sand. Miniature orange brick-like pieces are placed inside the frame. A grid of metal wires is placed over the bricks, and dark grey cement, likely clay or a putty mixture, is poured from a small bucket into the frame, covering the bricks and grid. The cement is smoothed and levelled using a small spatula and a wooden stick. The wooden frame is removed from the solidified cement base. A miniature rebar structure is pressed into the base. Wooden moulds are placed around the rebar structure for 4 corner posts. Dark grey cement is poured into the wooden moulds. The cement in the moulds is packed down with a small hammer, and the tops are smoothed with a spatula. The posts are finalised and smoothed. The wooden moulds are removed from the posts, revealing the grey square pillars. A 2-step wooden mould is placed next to the base. A metal grid is placed in the step mould, and cement is poured over it. The cement is smoothed, and the wooden mould is removed, leaving a 2-step porch or foundation step. Small orange miniature bricks are poured onto the grey base. The bricks are laid one by one along the edge of the base and around the posts, using a small spatula to apply grey cement between them. The corner posts remain grey. A small wooden frame for a window is placed on the brick wall. Bricklaying continues, building up the walls of the ground floor surrounding the window frame and 2 door frame opening. A wooden frame is placed on top of the brick walls for the 2nd floor's base. Yellow boards are placed inside the frame. A smaller square wooden frame for an opening is added. A wooden support post is fixed into the ground, extending to support the balcony's 2nd floor overhang. A metal grid is placed over the yellow boards and frames, and cement is poured over the entire structure, including the overhang. The cement is smoothed and levelled. The wooden frame around the 2nd floor slab is removed. More bricks are placed on the 2nd floor slab. Cement is applied. Bricks are laid around the 2nd floor slab's edge, building the walls, including a frame for an attic window's opening. The brick walls for the 2nd floor are completed, tapering toward the centre to form a pitched roof structure. The brickwork is lightly tapped with a small hammer to ensure stability. The wooden frames are removed from the ground floor and 2nd floor windows, joined door openings, leaving the brickwork exposed. White plaster is applied around the window and door openings and on the upper brick structure using a small spatula. The plaster is smoothed and textured using a small wooden tool. Excess plaster is carefully cut away